I think I would love to see the industry embrace a more 50-50 split in terms of the crews on film sets and television sets that creates a much better working environment. And we were very lucky with On the Basis of Sex that we did have that, and we shot in Montreal, and that was a huge priority for Mimi Leader, the director, and it did make for a much better working environment. Well, we're starting to see the industry shift and adapt, and obviously we're in a post-Weinstein era, and so what I think fundamentally the working environment has to change so that it is for everyone. I think it is at the moment it's so difficult for people who have children. It's a very unsociable industry to work in, and we're just starting to see the beginnings of that change, and also encouraging young women to go into directing at a younger age. And I think the more we will see a generational shift, but obviously women have been put off. And I hope that with the changes post-Me Too movement that we'll see an industry that is more friendly to women going into it. Culturally, I've seen the stories have shifted, and obviously with Roma and The Favourite, we are seeing women being front and centre of those stories, but still the key is to make sure that women are the storytellers. And that, as we know, is yet to shift.